So hi guys, we're here today at Posturepro with Alicia, who is an athlete in her field. She's a jiu-jitsu fighter. She's a trainer as well, and as you can see, she's quite strong compared to my guns. What, Gabby? I cut that part. We start again. I'll leave it. All right, you ready? Okay, hi guys, we're here today at Posturepro with Alicia, who is a jiu-jitsu fighter, trainer, and has been working out for how many years now? Pretty much your whole life, her whole life. And what we want to show you today is exactly how to correct an eye tracking discrepancy. And what that translates to as far as sports performance is if your eyes are moving unevenly at this point, what will end up happening is that you will overcompensate with your shoulders, with your hip, and you'll have rotations. And these, quite frankly, cause injury, cause postural imbalances, but most importantly, cause you to lose strength. So let me show you what this looks like. So Alicia, looks straight ahead. So we'll grab it from the front. All right, look at the tip of the pen. So you can see here that her right eye is not moving inwards like her other eye. We got that? So with very simple eye exercises, we can actually correct this. So the first step is to grab the index. If you're right-handed, I want you to grab your right index finger. If you're left-handed, I want you to grab your left index finger. And you're going to proceed with clockwise exercises. So anti-clockwise for you, clockwise for the client. So I'm just going to set here. What's important is that Alicia sees one line. You see one line? So focus here. Focus. And what I want is for Alicia really to just simply follow the circle with both of her eyes. And can you let me know if it's at any point, if you're losing the image or if the line is becoming double? That was okay. All right, so this is good. So now we're getting both of our eyes to work in synchronicity. Now I'm making the exercise a little more challenging. And I'm going to bring the circle in front of her left eye to actually overstretch the right. Couple more seconds. We're still good, Alicia? So follow through. Bam, bam, bam. Converge, converge. That's awesome. And we will go again right here. All right, so folks, so the exercise needs to be performed 3 times a day for 30, 40 seconds. And let me show you the results. They're immediate, they're instantaneous. And as far as strength and performance and strength, if we were to do a bench press or verify her upper body strength, she would actually be stronger. So let me show you here. Come back here. Look straight ahead. And Alicia, look at the tip of the pen. Bam. And we can see that the right eye is now perfectly convergent. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing, and talk to you soon.